When I wrote the book, Thinking on Purpose, you have to understand this is now, 50 years down my career. And I started thinking back of all the techniques that I had created. And for the most part, they're not complicated. They're things that anybody can do to change the way they think. And when it comes to changing what you believe, when it comes to having more confidence, all of these things have to do with the way you think about them, because the images you make create feelings. The feelings you have determine what images you can see. The tone of voice that you use, all of the cortexes in the brain overlap with each other. The auditory cortex and the kinesthetic or feeling cortex overlap about 40%, a different amount in every person, of course. But it means that part of what you hear and say and the tone of your own internal voice influences how you feel. The same thing is true of the visual cortex, which means the difference between making mental images and having feelings about them. Now, when we think things that make us feel bad, so therefore we either have to do something or we don't do something, or either case, it's really the same thing. It's that we can't change that connection. And our ability to change that connection is, NLP has created, specifically me primarily, has created techniques. Most practitioners, most master practitioners, and people involved in NLP to some degree have techniques that will change the way you feel and change what you think about, so that you're able to do things that you couldn't do before, or you don't have to do things that you probably shouldn't be doing anymore.